I've been running Facebook ads literally every day now for years for both a brick and mortar business as well as online offers. And I want to talk about 3 lessons that I've learned that I hope will help you out. A lot of times people say, you know what, Facebook ads, they don't work for me. They work, but it depends on whether you get the formula right. And I'm going to share with you the formula that I've learned that has helped me create success both online and offline. Number 1, and I think the most often overlooked piece of it, is you have to have a compelling offer. So many times people will offer a 10% discount or 20% off, and it just doesn't do what's called move the needle. It doesn't make us react, right? Where I found that if I give away something truly of value, absolutely free, it works over and over and over. That's step 1. You have to have a compelling reason for people to click, to sign up, to give you their email, to contact you to get that item. That is so important. Number 2, you have to test your images, and images as well as videos. You can have multiple images in your Facebook ads and test what's working best. Run a few. Whatever ones aren't working, get rid of those and try a few more. You never know exactly what's going to work. I can't tell you how many times I just really liked this cool image that I thought fit perfect, and it was a failure, right? But if you just pick the one and it fails, then you think, well, boy, maybe it's not going to work for me. And that's just not the case. So make sure and try multiple images. Also try videos. That really tends to work well for me, but it does vary based on the offer. And last but not least is you have to test your headline and text. Just because you think the headline sounds great doesn't mean your audience will. So make sure that you don't tweak both of those things at the same time. Don't change the image and change the headline, because it's harder to tell which one was successful and which one wasn't. So change one thing at a time. And kind of a bonus here, start with a small budget. I always start with $5 a day and work my way up from there. If it's not working at $5 a day, I don't want to be testing it at $20, $30, $50 a day to find out it's not working. So make your tweaks at the $5 a day, find out what works, and then scale up from there. Hey, if you like this, I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.